Hi, I'm Heather with F Body Warehouse, and today we're going to be replacing the shifter button hog ring and snap ring in the shifter knob. And the reason we're going to be doing it is we don't have one. So our shifter kind of goes like that, and so we're going to fix that today. And first thing we're going to do is we're going to pop off our shifter button, which I use a pick or a little tiny screwdriver, and I just get in there and pop it off. You pry it up, and that comes off, and this should slide right off. And then I've got my little snap ring inside. Sometimes they're broken, sometimes they just come off. And then you have your seat clip, and your seat clip has little tabs on the sides, and those little tabs snap in your shifter button, and then the little tabs on the inside snap this onto the little hole on the shaft. And then if you get real close, you can see the little line where the hog ring snaps onto the shaft, and that's what locks your shifter knob in place. Okay, now that we have our shifter knob off, right now is a good time if you're going to replace your shifter bezel or your light or your strap or anything. This is the time to do it because it's all off. And now we're going to put it back on. What we need to do is we need to move our shaft down to about drive. So, okay. We're going to take our knob, slide our knob back down, all the way down as far as it'll go, and you'll see a little bit of the silver on the inside. We're going to take our C-clip, and we're going to slide that over the shaft back like it was. It's right over there. And next we're going to use our hog ring pliers. These things are great. But the hog ring has two holes, and we're going to line up the rods on the pliers with the holes. We have our hog ring on the hog ring pliers, and we're not going to stretch it out until we're over the thing, and we're just going to stretch it out enough to go over that silver circle in there. So we're going to take it, and we're going to go inside. And then spread them backwards and pull out, and then make sure, and mine's not sliding up, so I'm in, and then we're just gonna take our shifter button, line it up straight, push it back up. That's it. Put it back into gear, and you have just replaced the hog ring on your shifter button. I hope this has been helpful, and you can find the shifter button clip and hog ring set on the website, and you can also find the shifter bezel, the shifter bulb, and all your other parts and accessories on fbodywarehouse.com.